Have you ever imagined a romantic garden where every flower, every leaf, tells its own story? A place where delicate fragrances blend with nature's colors, making you feel as if you've stepped into a fairy tale? Join me as we explore beautiful, low-maintenance plants that can transform your garden into a peaceful oasis. Let's uncover the wonders that nature has to offer and create a little corner of love and life right outside your door. Boxwood, a plant of timeless beauty, standing as a symbol of resilience and grace in your garden. Its deep green leaves, small and uniform, create an elegant charm that brings a sense of calm and tranquility. Boxwood asks little of you. With just a bit of trimming, it maintains its perfect shape. On a quiet afternoon, you can admire these proud, steadfast hedges, a gentle reminder of nature's peace and constancy amid life's hurried pace. Hydrangea, a captivating shrub that graces any garden with its lush, colorful blooms, like a painter's palette come to life. In shades of blue, pink, and white, these flowers create a scene both romantic and serene, inviting you to linger and admire. Hydrangeas thrive with minimal care, needing only a touch of water and a bit of shade to reveal their beauty each summer. Imagine warm afternoons filled with the soft rustle of their petals, a soothing presence that reminds you of nature's quiet elegance in every season. Spirea, a delicate yet vibrant shrub, fills the garden with clusters of tiny flowers that cascade like soft whispers of color in spring and summer. Its pink, white, or red blooms are charmingly simple, yet they bring a playful brightness to any landscape. Low maintenance and resilient, Spirea needs only a light trim to stay beautiful, making it perfect for any gardener. And as autumn arrives, its leaves transform into a warm, fiery display, a gentle reminder of nature's graceful transitions through the seasons. Butterfly bush, an enchanting shrub that attracts butterflies, hummingbirds, and admiration alike. Its fragrant, cone-shaped flowers bloom in shades of purple, pink, and white, creating a vibrant display that dances in the summer breeze. Hardy and easy to care for, this shrub requires little beyond an annual pruning, yet it rewards with an endless charm. Imagine your garden alive with fluttering wings and soft scents, a haven where nature's beauty comes to life in full color and grace. Juniper, a steadfast evergreen with a beauty that endures all year. Its silvery blue or deep green needles bring a touch of rugged elegance to the garden, blending perfectly into natural landscapes and adding texture to formal designs alike. With minimal care, juniper thrives in various conditions, standing strong against drought and erosion. Picture a garden adorned with these resilient shrubs, offering structure and serenity in every season, a quiet guardian of the landscape, rooted in nature's calm and strength. Nandina, or heavenly bamboo, brings a touch of elegance and color to any garden with its striking red foliage and clusters of bright berries. This resilient shrub thrives with little attention, tolerating a variety of soil types and weather conditions. As the seasons change, Nandina's vibrant hues deepen, creating a stunning contrast against the winter landscape. Its compact size and low-maintenance nature make it an ideal choice for adding a dash of year-round beauty and grace, transforming your garden into a peaceful, ever-changing masterpiece. Azalea, a garden gem that bursts into a riot of color each spring, as if the very earth is celebrating the season's arrival. With their stunning blooms in shades of pink, red, purple, and white, azaleas add a romantic touch to any landscape. They thrive with minimal care, needing just a bit of shade and regular watering. Imagine stepping into your garden, greeted by the soft fragrance of these lovely flowers, their vibrant petals creating a living canvas that captures the essence of spring's fleeting beauty. Barberry, bold and beautiful, this shrub is a fiery explosion of color, with its vibrant red, orange, or yellow foliage. Its thorny branches form a natural barrier, adding both security and charm to your garden. Low maintenance and incredibly hardy, Barberry thrives in various conditions, from full sun to partial shade, and is highly resistant to pests and deer. As the seasons change, its striking berries offer a burst of color against the winter landscape, making it a stunning, year-round addition that never goes unnoticed. Euonymus, an elegant shrub with a timeless appeal, its glossy, evergreen leaves bring a polished touch to any garden. Some varieties boast variegated foliage, with creamy edges that catch the light and add depth to your landscape. Whether grown as a hedge or standalone feature, Euonymus requires little care, just the occasional pruning to maintain its shape. In the fall, its leaves transition to warm hues, offering a gentle reminder of nature's changing beauty. With its adaptability and charm, Euonymus is the perfect addition to create a graceful, low-maintenance garden retreat. Lilac, an enduring symbol of spring, with its intoxicating fragrance and soft clusters of purple, white, or pink flowers. This beloved shrub transforms any garden into a fragrant paradise, filling the air with a sweet scent that lingers long after the blooms fade. Lilacs are surprisingly low maintenance, needing only occasional pruning to keep them looking their best. As the warm days of late spring arrive, imagine the vibrant beauty of your garden alive with the sight and smell of lilacs, a timeless reminder of nature's ability to captivate the senses. Forsythia, a radiant herald of spring, bursting into golden yellow blossoms even before the last remnants of winter have melted away. Its cheerful flowers brighten up any garden, offering a striking contrast against the bare branches of early season. Forsythia is incredibly easy to care for, requiring only a light pruning after flowering to keep its form. With its bold, early-season blooms, this shrub invites you to celebrate the new beginnings of spring, infusing your garden with warmth and color as the world slowly wakes from its slumber. Viburnum, a versatile and stunning shrub, offering everything from fragrant blooms to vibrant fall foliage. Its clusters of white, pink, or red flowers attract pollinators, while its rich, colorful leaves turn fiery red and orange in autumn. Viburnum thrives with little attention, requiring only occasional pruning to maintain its shape. Whether used as a hedge, a standalone feature, or in mixed plantings, Viburnum adds beauty and texture to your garden throughout the year, making it a perfect addition for anyone seeking a low-maintenance yet visually captivating plant. Dwarf Alberta Spruce, a charming and compact evergreen that brings a touch of sophistication to any garden. Its dense, upright form and soft, green needles create a refined, structured look, perfect for small spaces or as a statement piece in larger landscapes. This low-maintenance shrub requires little pruning and is highly tolerant of both cold temperatures and drought. Picture your garden enhanced by the timeless elegance of Dwarf Alberta Spruce, standing quietly through the seasons, its graceful presence offering a sense of calm and order in the midst of nature's beauty. Ninebark, an eye-catching shrub that offers more than just its vibrant, peeling bark. With its clusters of small flowers in spring and brilliant foliage in the fall, Ninebark is a year-round beauty. Its easy-care nature makes it a favorite among gardeners. It thrives in a variety of soil types and requires little attention beyond occasional pruning. In winter, its striking bark adds texture and visual interest to the landscape, while in the warmer months, its blossoms and colorful leaves bring a dynamic, ever-changing charm to your garden. Rose of Sharon, an elegant, flowering shrub that blooms in a dazzling array of colors, from soft pinks to vibrant purples. With its large, tropical-looking flowers, it brings a touch of exotic beauty to your garden, lasting well into late summer and fall. This hardy shrub is easy to maintain, needing only a light pruning after flowering to keep its shape. Imagine your garden alive with the bold, colorful blooms of Rose of Sharon, offering both beauty and a sense of tranquility as the seasons gently change. Now, are you ready to transform your garden into a beautiful, low-maintenance paradise? These plants not only add beauty, but also quietly become your garden's best companions, enhancing your space without demanding much care. Let each corner of your garden tell its own story, from the lush green leaves to the vibrant blooms. Discover the wonders of nature and embrace the simple yet magical beauty that lies right in your backyard, turning your garden into a sanctuary that welcomes peace and joy with every season.